Welcome. Take a moment to find a space where you can be entirely undisturbed. You have arrived here because your soul is ready to shift, to remember and to recalibrate. Gently close your eyes. Feel the ground beneath you and the space around you. We are moving beyond the noise of the day, beyond the expectations of the mind, and into the sanctuary of your own energetic field. There is no need to do anything and nothing to solve. Simply allow yourself to be a receptive vessel. We are about to engage with a frequency transmission designed to clear the static and bring you back into alignment with your own inherent sovereignty. Take a deep cleansing breath in and let it go. Let the words dissolve. Simply listen and let the resonance do the work. We begin now. Ekatashu karanaka kera kitaka karateka kura kashu kashu karatashu erekato kakatara ke erekato kakatara ke kerekaso orataka kashu karatashu ka eto erekato kakashu erekato ka kerena ora kakara iso kashu karate oro reka karareka ireka tosha karatosha urota tera kera naka ke urotaka oroka kesho kera raka naka keta karateka o uroto toka kesho keretosha ereta tata koranaka ke kereko ora kesho koratasho kadasho ereka ko koronoka kerata tera erata tora karatesho ereka kora naka kesho keraka karanaka te kereta ereta toka ke kereka ko ereta toka karaka kesho ereta toka kesho karanaka eshota ereta tara keraka kesho karanaka ko karoka ka eretota ta kesho karana erota ta kerete tora erete tara kasho kerenaka ke oroka kakar erota te kasha kerenaka uratasho uretata kerenaka kasho karatasho ureta tora ereka karesho keranaka ititesho ketoka keretoka na erena kasho kereta oreta tara kesho karakane uratata ereta taka shoka kerana taka kesho erenaka kora natara ishoka kashoka kera tetasho ke ereto tora kesho koronaka ke ereka ke ishoka kara desho toretasho keranaka ke ereto toka kesho totora kereta taka karanaka ke ereto tatasho korotata
Erekakora keshokorata tera keshonaka karate. Eretatora karatesho, eretatora karata ke. Kuraka eshoko keshoko karatosha etoka. Etoka kasho karanaka ke. Etoka kasho karanaka ke ereta. Ereta karasho karanesho kurutata tesho etoka. Karateko ereta ta e eto. Ito tata kasheko koranaka ke. Kashoko koranaka ke erekako. Erekako oreka dora neta. Ereta dora koshoka. Koshoka kera ereta tara esho ete. Ereto karatuta desho kerenata toka ke. Erota kera kasho keretoka kasho karetesho ereta to. Ereta to maka kerenaka shoka.
Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the weight of your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the stillness you have just cultivated. There is no rush to move. Allow the resonance of this transmission to continue working within your cells. You are not the same as you were 5 minutes ago. You are simply more aligned with who you truly are. As you open your eyes, carry this clarity with you. Remember that you are your own anchor. Whenever you feel the noise of the world rising, you can return to this space and return to yourself. Thank you for sharing your energy with me today. To further anchor this practice and explore more daily activations, I invite you to visit JeanetteGibson.com. May you move through your day with grace, intention, and sovereignty.